हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल चैप्टर 1। आज का कंटेंट है जिम स्पेशल ब्लॉग। मेरे जिम का नाम है एक्सट्रीम फिटनेस स्टूडियो, जो कोलकाता के कमालगाछी एरिया में है। आई रियली फील ये जिम इस एरिया का बेस्ट जिम है, विद ऑल मॉडर्न इक्विपमेंट्स एंड फ्रेंडली ट्रेनर्स। एक्सरसाइजेस तो बहुत लोग करते हैं एंड जिम भी बहुत लोग जाते हैं, लेकिन सही तरीके से एक्सरसाइजेस करना इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर योर बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर। सो चलिए देखते हैं कौन से एक्सरसाइजेस का क्या बेनिफिट है एंड क्या सही तरीका है इनको करने का। सो इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए, आप लोगों के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगा। एंड अगर आप हमारे चैनल में नए हैं सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन। और वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो डेफिनेटली एक लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिए।
This is called weight jacks. So আমরা যদি ball দিয়ে করছি, so this is called ball jacks also. Okay? It's similar like jumping jacks. Okay? Look, now hold the ball is like this. Close your legs and jump up like this and close like this. Continuously. Okay? Come on. At least 20 and a stretch. Super. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Super. Most effective compound exercise. Minimum muscle working at a time. Okay? Look. At first, hold it like this. Pull it here. And when you release with the squat. Again. Pull and release with the squat. Pull and squat. Come. Your legs chest up. Yes. Release with the squat. Yes. Feel the pressure come here. Yes. Squeeze it. Very nice. Squeeze it. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Come on. At least 15. Well done. Look, at first, stand like this. Your toe should be 45 degree angle, okay? Now, hold the kettlebell like this and up, down, up, down. When you're going down, your body little bit forward, okay? And when you push, thrust with your hip, thrust with your hip, thrust with your hip, okay? Come on. Come on. Yes, 1, 2, yes, 3, 1, 4. Bell should be stable. Bell should be stable, yes. Come on, very nice. At least 50 reps. Very, really nice. Well, keep it with basketball. This is the basketball. Here, hold it like this. And first, keep your single leg here. And here, okay? And stand up with this. Okay? Knee up. When you're going up, your opposite knee up. Continuously take each leg. Come. And here. Just up. 1, 2. That is very nice. 3. When the two legs. 1, 2, 3. 3. This is the band.
6, 7,
This is also a compound movement, okay? Hold the dumbbells like this and lunges like this. Lunges in position. And when you're going down, dumbbell, press it up. And again relax. Again, press it up. And relax. Okay? Legs and shoulders. And time. Okay. Come on. Mix it. Get more lunges. Yes, definitely feel up. Feel up. More big steps. Yes. Go down. Yes. Balance properly. 2. Come on. 3. 4. 5. 6. 9. 10. Okay. Turn around. This side. Definitely feel up. Yes. Again. 1. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Yes, very nice. This is for your legs. Okay? First, go down like this and lift the weight like this. Just turn, okay? And position as well. Your body ready to forward, okay? And when you're going down, your hips should be parallel to the ground. Down. Again, squat down. Okay? And after that, just rolling. Okay? Come. Lift and roll. Roll. Yes. Now go forward. Come forward. No, little bit closer. Legs a little bit closer. Come forward more. Yes. 1 and up. 2. Wait together. 3. Super. 4. Come on, you can do it. 5. Come on. 2. And just 1. That's it. And roll. Relax. Like this. Front kick, okay? Come on, kick. 1, 2, 3, yes, 4, 5, that's it. Fist time, fist. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now punch. 1, 2, and kick. Yes, again. 1, 2, and this leg. Yes, again. 1, 2. Super. Again. 1, 2, and yes. Good. Again, compound movement. Forward, forward, and back. Okay. Look. At first, take position also, and then hold the dumbbell like this. Again, pull it like this and down. Again, pull it like this and down. Okay, continuously. Alternate hand. Come. Big step. Yes. 1. Pull 1. Yes. Feel the pressure from here. Yes. For the upper back. Yes. Very nice. Come on. Continuously. At least stay. Come on. Very nice. Well done. Well done. One more. Okay. Very good.